Hey everyone, welcome to our channel again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframe for your videos and how keyframe actually works. So first of all, understand why keyframe is useful in video editing. So first of all, understand keyframe is the thing that you can use to manage movement of your object or photos that you have added. Not only photos, you can also more text in a way that you want to more. Suppose here you can see I have uh, imported a sample image. Here you can see. So what you have to do, suppose this is the image I have just kept this image at the left side, right? So I want to move this image to the right side like this while playing a video. So what I will do is, see, suppose first of all you will have to mm, have a position of your image. Suppose this is the position of my image, and here we can see the keyframe option here, right side, the second number option here. What we have to do is click here at the starting of the video and select the keyframe here. Suppose you can see I have selected, like you can see. Now I have to move this image to the right direction like this. So move this image, move like this, and I want this image to zoom here. Suppose zoom like this, and again go back like this. Okay, now you can see I want these things happens at this position. Okay, now I am selecting my keyframe here. Now you can see how this image will move. As you can see, okay, it will go back. Now suppose I have to move this image from here to right side, right? Like this. Now you can see. First of all, you will have to select the main position of the image. Suppose I have selected this here, and now I want this video to move like this. As you can see, the image is moving to the right side as I was told you. So this is how this keyframe actually works. You not only move images only, you can also move text. Suppose this is the text that I have selected. Wait, suppose this is the text. Okay, I want to move this text now. So how I will move this, select the keyframe at the start of the video or text. Okay, now I want this text to move like this. Okay, now you can see till here. Wait, suppose this is the position. Okay, now I want this image text to move like this. As you can see, the image is moving, text is moving like what I commanded to that text. So yeah, this is how this keyframe is useful. If certain animations is not available in your app, then you can match that animations manually like this. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the